Hey, what's up guys? Today I want to go over our soaps and how they have a unique fit in all your washing needs. We're going to start with Shift Soap. Shift Soap is specific for ceramic coated vehicles. It is a pH level of 7, making it neutral. So it's going to be tough on grime because it has some unique surfactants, but it's very gentle and delicate when washing a ceramic coated vehicle. Shift is also very high foaming, and there is no additives in it which are going to potentially leave a film on the vehicle and mask the true performance of your ceramic coating. So this is your best choice. Let's move into Shine Soap. Shine Soap is not one of our more popular soaps, but it does have a unique fit, meaning that it's great for maintenance washing of a vehicle that has a traditional wax or a paint sealant on it. It's a pH level of 8, so it's a little stronger than the Shift Soap. But again, specific for a vehicle that has a wax or a traditional paint sealant on it. A couple more highlights about Shine Soap is that it has some water softeners in it, so it helps reduce the chances of water spotting. It also is low foaming, intentional, because it rinses off very easily from the vehicle. The reason why you would not want to use Shine Soap on a ceramic coated vehicle is those polymers in it are going to tend to leave a little transparent film on your coated vehicle that on a chemistry level, it's not going to pair well with the true function of your ceramic coating. So it's going to mask that performance that your coating has in the element of the hydrophobic properties and the self-cleaning ability that ceramic coatings have. So you want to specifically designate Shine Soap for a traditional wax or a vehicle that has a paint sealant on it. Let's talk about Hotshot Soap. Hotshot Soap is the strongest of these three soaps. It's a pH level of 9. So it's going to be a mild alkaline soap. So it's going to be the strongest. It's going to have the most capabilities to strip the grime and soil and dirt off your vehicle. It is not the ideal choice to wash a ceramic coated vehicle, being that it is on that higher pH level. So even though most pro coatings have a pH resistance level up to 13, you don't want to use a higher pH cleaner unless it's absolutely necessary on that coating, because you want to be as delicate and gentle as possible on your coated surface. So Hotshot's great for just regular maintenance washing, fleet washing. It's also great to prep a vehicle that you're going to get ready to do a full exterior detail on, meaning you're going to do some decontamination, some compounding, some polishing. This is an excellent prep soap for that, especially being that it is our strongest of these three soaps. It also has incredible foam, being that it'll linger on the surface very nicely, especially when doing those prep washes, getting ready for a detail. Okay, and finally, let's talk about our Holeshot, which is our complete off-road cleaner. It's not limited to just cleaning off-road vehicles like side-by-side, quads, off-road trucks, dirt bikes, mountain bikes, etc. We also use this to clean exterior vehicles, especially during the winter when they have a lot of grime and soil on the surface. We love doing a pre-wash with Holeshot prior to getting into our actual soap wash. It helps strip all that off and eliminates making contact with that grime when we're actually doing our mitting, which helps prevent potential defects. Holeshot is a pH level of 12, so it's moving into a little more moderate, stronger alkaline cleaner. But here's the catch. It's still extremely safe for all exterior surfaces of your vehicle. It's not going to function like a degreaser, so it's not drying out your trim, it's not going to stain any of your aluminum, any of your billet or anodized parts, and it's definitely not going to stain your paint, and it's not going to strip your ceramic coating. Now, it's not something you would want to use every week to wash a coated car, but again, during the winter, when you're dealing with that heavier grime and soil buildup, Holeshot is an excellent pre-wash. For those of you that do not have a pressure washer at home, you're not limited to not having access to a foam gun. This is our high pressure foam gun that works for a pressure washer. But if you happen to not have a pressure washer, we do have this option. This is our garden hose foam gun, it hooks up to a traditional garden hose fitting, so you can still have the benefit of some foam at your house without having to have a pressure washer. So remember, this is a great option. Okay, I want to leave you with a few pro tips on how we make what I call some cocktails here at the shop. So let's start with our cocktail with Shift soap. So if you want to make an SiO2 based soap to wash a ceramic coated vehicle with, you don't need to go buy another soap. All you do is you take Punch It, you add 2 ounces of Punch It into your foam cannon, 4 ounces of your Shift soap, and that is an excellent SiO2 soap to wash and maintain a ceramic coated vehicle when you choose to do so. Another cocktail we make is our Hotshot soap cocktail. So what we'll do is if a vehicle is really dirty, or we're doing a prep wash on a vehicle we're getting ready to do some polishing on, it's got a lot of grime on it, hasn't been washed in a while, we will take 2 to 4 ounces of our Holeshot, add it in our foam cannon, and then we'll do our 4 ounces of Hotshot soap, and that will give us some nice boosted cleaning abilities. Quick recap. Washing of ceramic coated vehicles, pH level of 7, meaning it's neutral. Maintenance washing of a waxed or a sealed vehicle, meaning a traditional paint sealant, pH level of 8, so a little bit stronger. And our Hotshot soap, pH level of 9, great for general washing when you need more cleaning ability. And then last but definitely not least is our Holeshot for when you got that heavy grime and you need that boosted, more stronger cleaning ability, pH level 12. All right guys, hope that gives you some understanding on how each of our soaps has a great fit in your arsenal. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.